Now, thousands of people have staged a march in Barcelona in a show of support for a united Spain. It came a day after 350,000 Catalan Separatists held a protest over the jailing of 9 regional leaders. Well, Gerard Escaich has more.
Barcelona has been shaken by pro-independence marches every day for the last 2 weeks, but on Sunday those defending the union with Spain finally made their voices heard. Local authorities say 80,000 people marched through Barcelona waving banners and Spanish flags. Their message was clear: Catalonia should remain a part of Spain.
If Catalonia leaves Europe, it will be a ruin. There's no country in Europe or the world that wants to know anything about Spain. Politicians have already tried to start conversations to see if they can split from Spain. They want to separate. But it's an illusion that they had for years. It comes from their parents and their children. An illusion that's not realistic. It's not economically feasible. Not true.
It's the first time pro-unity supporters have demonstrated since the sentencing of 9 Catalan leaders to 100 years in prison. Organizers say they wanted to remember one of the major unionist demonstrations held 2 years ago in these same streets. Then, more than 1 million protesters marched to show their opposition to the result of the Catalan independence referendum held on the 1st of October 2017.
Due to the lack of rights of the Catalan Spaniards and in favour of freedom of expression and against burning Barcelona and Catalonia, and above all for the freedom of my children who are Catalan so they can live in peace as we have lived so far.
2 years ago, I also came because I was against the world thinking that all Catalonia was independentist, because I think the majority of Catalan people aren't independentist and are against the peace.
The number of pro-Spain demonstrators gathered this Sunday here in the center of Barcelona shows that the independence debate is more open than ever. Gerard Escaich in Barcelona for Euronews.